If you have been prescribed eye drops by your ophthalmologist, remember to take them as prescribed on a regular basis. Do not stop your eye drops without instruction from the eye doctor, because you may need to take these for a longer period of time. It is very important that eye drops are kept in a safe environment. Don't leave them in the car in the hot weather. They will degrade. Many eye drops may require you to keep them in the refrigerator, and it's important to do so. Eye drops in bottles which are with preservatives, once opened, should be discarded after 28 days and a fresh bottle used. Preservative-free eye drops usually come in disposable minims or in continuous monodose bottles, and they could be used for a longer period of time. Again, if you have been prescribed minim eye drops or daily disposable eye drops, remember, do not use them for more than the day from when they were opened.